Cooking with Dave. It's the good stuff. Okay, today what we're going to be doing, we're going to be making a simple cake. I had to taste for some cake today, and I'm just using a plain old box Duncan Hines cake, okay? And 3 eggs, 7 tablespoons of butter, and 1/3 cup of water, okay? But I'm going to be cooking it in the Ninja Foodie, okay? At about 300 degrees for about 30 minutes. I'll keep checking it periodically to make sure it's done in the middle. All right, so let's get with it. All right. Everything has already been pre-measured, everything else, so it's not going to be no time consuming of measuring and doing this and doing that. Okay. Alright, get in my KitchenAid mixer, lock it down, let's get it mixing up. I add my butter, my melted butter, 7 tablespoons. This is really a really quick cake here. And I'm going to add my 1/3 cup of water. And just let it mix. Slow it down a little bit. Start the medium speed. Got my butter right here. That wasn't much. Alright. And I'm going to show you what kind of pan I'm going to be using. It fits the Ninja Foodie pretty good. I'm reusing this pan here. It's like a blunt pan. Has a little design at the top there. I already sprayed it down with pan oil. Okay, and this is made specifically for the Ninja Foodie pan. For any other kind of pressure cooker. All right. All right, let me just scrape it down a little bit. Mix, lock it up. Right. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to come over here and I'm going to preheat the Ninja Foodie. I'm going to preheat her because I want to get it nice and hot. So let me turn her on first. Okay. I am going to bake temp. I'm gonna bring it down to 300 degrees. Okay. Just get it nice and hot for 15 minutes. Not even. Let's go with 10 minutes. Let's go with 10 minutes. And I'm gonna preheat her. Okay, I'll be back with you as soon as the cake mix is done and I transfer it over into the bun pan. Okay, I'll be right back. Welcome back, everybody. Cooking with Dave. It's the good stuff. Okay, cake batter's done. It's in the mold. Now I'm going to transfer it into the Ninja Foodie. All right, she's nice and hot. But when you're doing this, you gotta be very careful because it is definitely hot. Inside is definitely hot. Okay, now I'm gonna close it down. Okay, Now I'm going to put it on for 300 degrees. 300 degrees. 300 degrees for 30 minutes. And I'm going to constantly keep checking it, you know, to make sure it's getting done and everything else. All right, and here we go. I'll be back with you after this process is done. And we'll make a follow-up video after that. All right, see you later. Bye-bye. Welcome back, everybody. Okay, welcome back to Cooking with Dave. It's the good stuff. Okay, the cake that was making in the Ninja Foodie that we was making. All right, it's basically the time is up. All right, but it's not done yet. It's definitely not done yet. All right, I'm gonna pull it out to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, she's dropping down now. And if I stick the knife in it, no, she's still wet. Just a little bit. All right, but I do have to clean up the bottom here. And the way if I'm going to do that, ooh. The way I'm going to do that, put it over the bowl. These pieces are for the chef. And my beautiful wife, the camera lady.
Thank you.
All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it back in. And I'll reduce the temperature to about 290. Now I'll leave it for 15 minutes also too. All right, and start. And let me see. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, tastes good.
Okay, people. I'll be back with you later when it is done. Welcome back, everybody. Okay, the cake is done. I'm gonna remove it and let it cool over here. I'm gonna flip it and take it out of the pan, but I have to let it cool a little bit. So I'll be right back, okay? Hey, everybody, welcome back with Cooking with Dave. It's the good stuff. Well, the cake came out of the Ninja Foodie, and it came out excellent. You are not going to believe how can I say, the skill that I had to making this cake in the Ninja Foodie. Well, I'm going to show you. It's a beautiful cake that I made, okay? So without further ado, here's the cake that I made. But you know I'm only joking, right? I'm only joking. We're going to go to the real cake. Here's the real cake. Okay? But it's going to taste as good as this one over here. But this one is going to taste even better because I made it in the Ninja Foodie. Once again, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell. God bless you and thank you.